CJ,
Drew?
I got a quick question.
Okay.
Are you a menthol or fruit type of cough drop guy?
Oh, like if I'm getting a cough drop, I want it to seem still kind of like medicine. So like a menthol-y.
See, I'll pop like 5 of those fruit
I know.
breezers or like the cherry
Those
ones.
are candy. I feel like they just don't work. I
Right.
would get those just to eat.
Like a regular lifesaver.
Yeah. What's the hard caramel candies?
Or there's originals.
Yes. Just like those.
Those are the quickest way to diabetes. That's why they don't give them out on Halloween.